Hello. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to install Git on a Windows machine or Windows operating system. So first of all, we've navigated to Google and searched for installing Git. Let me just start from zero. So navigate to Google and be like installing Git. Then the first link that you get is git-scm.com. Then click on it. Navigate to the skip the Linux and Mac OS section and go to installing on Windows. There is a link here which you need to access. I'm going to open it in a new window. So once you reach here, you need to select setup for your operating machine. Windows machine can be either 32-bit or 64-bit. Choose one of the two depending on which one you like. Once you've clicked on either, the download is going to start. I'm going to stop that download because this is a MacBook and it's not going to be able to install a .exe file. Okay, so once you install the .exe file, be it 32-bit or 64-bit, you need to run it. Click on that exe file, then install. Follow the default settings to the end. After that, after you follow the default settings to the end, remember to run git version, because this is how we check if Git has been properly installed. So that's it. That's how you install Git on your Windows machine. See you in the next lecture.